Come test drive the 2016 Silverado 2500HD. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, sunroof, hill descent control, bed liner, trailer brake controller, remote keyless entry, engine block heater, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, OnStar, cruise control, power outlet, console. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. Come see the car for yourself.